Hello everyone. Copilot in Word transform the process of document creation and refinement. Copilot help us drafting from scratch, enhancing existing text, and capturing the essence of lengthy articles. Today we will see how Copilot in Word help us to draft and add content, rewrite text, chat with Copilot, summary, and many more things. So this is my interface of Word web, and I can see Copilot here and here as well. Similarly, we can also use Copilot in Word desktop. This is our Word desktop version, and Copilot is visible here and here as well. In case in desktop version, if Copilot is not available, please go to File menu, go to Account, update your product, and update your license. Then restart the application. In that case, Copilot will be available to you. So let's start playing with Copilot in Microsoft Word. So this is our blank document, and we can see a box draft with Copilot. In case this is not visible, you can bring this box from here. Let me give my first prompt here. Write a cost-effective marketing plan for training company Visionovate, which has AI as a focus area. See, power of Copilot only comes to you if you write powerful prompts. I'll discuss about prompts more in the later part of the video. Let's generate a document based on this prompt. So now we got the output based on our prompt. Based on the output, we can keep it or discard it. Keep it or discard it. Or we can also regenerate this further. Now Copilot is drafting the stuff for us again based on the same prompt but in different way. Now we have two draft. See, 2 of 2, 1 of 2. So now we have two draft with us. We can keep one which suits us more, and you can further refine it with our own prompts. For example, now this draft is shorter than previous two drafts. Okay, let's keep it. Okay, let me choose this paragraph. Click on Copilot icon. Via option rewrite. So we are rewriting only this paragraph of this document. Okay. Suppose I want to change further. So I have option over here, adjust tone. I want to make it more professional and regenerate. So I have two options, replace or insert below or regenerate further. It is highly recommended that output given by Copilot should be ideally rechecked for accuracy. If you like the output, make sure to give thumbs up or thumbs down. Let me replace this text with original text. Okay, let me select it again. Option, visualize as table. Now information in tabular manner. and we can refine table further. For example, now you can see we have one more column, notes over here. Keep it. Okay, let me open one more file. There is an option over here, reference your content. If you type slash over here, you can choose files, or if you click reference your content, you can choose files. Browse from cloud. You can only use Word files and PowerPoint files for this purpose, and your file should be either on OneDrive or SharePoint. Okay, I have this PPT. So let me show you PPT first. This is PPT for the training of Microsoft Copilot. Let's see how Copilot in Word act on this. So you can see based on the given file, it is able to make a outline. Please note again, for this purpose you can only use Word files or PowerPoint files, or you can use maximum 3 files at a time. Let's go back to our first file. I want to add content information in this document. Awesome. Okay, now click on Copilot icon. Inside box you can see there are many prompt ideas are provided. For example, if I click on this, so Copilot have provided the text based on your prompt. You can copy and use anywhere you want. Apart from this, you will also see context specific prompts here. Let me ask you more questions. Please notice when you ask question, it gives the answer with citations. You can type your prompts or you can also speak out your prompts. Click on mic icon. Is there a call to action? So you can see call to action information is given to you. If you click here, you can see more prompts. So as I mentioned, various prompts are provided by a system or you can draft your own prompts. The power of Copilot is only with you if you can write better prompts. So we learned how to draft and add content, rewrite text, chat with Copilot to make summary and much more. Try your prompts now. If you want to know more about Microsoft 365 Copilot, please refer my course on Udemy. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I will be happy to solve your queries further. Please mention in comment box or refer my website which I have given in description. Please subscribe to my channel to see such demonstrations. Thank you.